We were sent this electric keyboard and it's really neat. So you can see right now the colors on the keys are lighting up, but you don't hear anything. That's because it comes with headphones and I just have those plugged in. So this is what it is without the headphones plugged in. And then you can adjust the volume as well. So because this is going to be played a lot by my kids, I love that it has that feature of it. You also get a microphone which plugs in and this little plug-in foot pedal too. Now when it comes to learning piano, I'm going to flip this over and play a little bit with it and use this learning mode, but there's so many different ones you can do for different songs. It has 600 timbres, which is just different characteristics of how you hear each note. And then 500 rhythms, 65 different songs. So let's turn it around and check it out. One thing to also note, this with the bottom part is super lightweight, so you can move it room to room. It doesn't come with a seat, so you do need to have your own seat or just stand when you play it. And putting it together, the keyboard comes in one piece, but the little stand took my husband probably like 5 to 10 minutes to put together, so pretty simple. Right now I have it on the 3-step lesson. I have on the 1-key follow ensemble and the very first song. So let's try it out. Here we go. And see, if you stop like this and you get stuck, the key keeps sitting on there until I hit it to go to the next key. So that's really cool for learning. I love this, and I know my kids are just getting a kick out of it, and I love to see their love of music come through. That was your first time playing piano. How did it feel?
It feels good.
Can you believe you were able to play keyboard?
Yeah, I mean, like, I never played it before this time.
But other kids like it, and why?
Other kids would like it because they would play songs.
Are you excited to learn how to play?
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, it's a lot. That's all I remember from my days of taking piano lessons. You also get a bunch of stickers that you can put onto the different keys. So if you're gonna learn how to read music, that's super helpful. And then here is your instruction manual with everything you need to know. This is awesome if you're looking for an electric keyboard. I think you'll love this one.